My country people, this Mercy Johnson's matter don dey go far o. This Ghana prophet wey dey always prophesy bad thing about Nigerian Nollywood actors don come out come prophesy, no be even prophesy, come dey claim say Queeneth will kpai untimely because say she dragged Mercy Johnson. My people no be small thing. This actress don come out say no be for my head, everything wey you talk say you see for my head na back to sender, e go back to you, to your generation. Say she didn't drag Mercy Johnson and Angela, she just stated the fact of who they truly are. Say no be dragging, she's saying the truth about them. Make I play the video, make una hear wetin this girl talk. I be think say this matter small o, as I dey see am, omo water don pass garri. Make we first listen to wetin this actress talk.
Hey guys, it's your girl Queeneth Hilbert, and it has come to my notice that some unscrupulous elements, some microorganisms, some nitwits, some decomposed elements have been using my name, to be going around on Facebook saying a lot of things. Okay, first of all, I got this video from my fans who are really concerned about me. This particular prophet, this particular pastor has been saying a whole lot about Queeneth Hilbert in his church, and people kept telling me about it, and I kept quiet. Listen to me, pastor or prophet or whatever you call yourself. I do not have any darkness hovering around me. And if it's because I said what I said, see, you people don't understand something. I never dragged Mercy and Angela. No, you people don't know the meaning of drag. I said the fact. And when I start talking, everywhere go bust. I just said a little, they're already seeing prophecy on my head. When I now open my mouth, I said the rabosh, the main thing. That means Tinubu will come down from his seat. I don't understand it. Dear prophet, your mother will die. Your auntie will die. Your children will die. Your wife will die. You every member of your generation.
Miami ball lovers with una think. To me, this is extreme. Seriously. Allow God to be the judge. Stop parading yourself to claiming to be a true man of God, and you are seeing this kind of thing against somebody. How can you say that somebody will buy because say she dragged somebody? This is extreme. No, nothing will happen to this actress. Don't do. Junior Pope don't erase every untimely anything whatsoever in Nollywood. None of them will buy again. I beg. This prophet, every time na bad news for Nollywood, you go they claim. They see good news. They see say somebody don't buy new house or somebody don't. Why always bad news all the time? Sometimes I begin the one that say, make we take one eye. They look this man. No. Anyway, my actress, go buy, you go live long to testify the goodness of God in your life. My people waiting on nothing. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to follow this channel for more banging news with the Totori body. It's still your one and only amebo girl Cindy. Now stay safe out there. Bye.